WEN DF1100T. Up next, we recommend going with WEN DF1100T if you're looking for the best value deal. This dual-fuel model offers versatility by letting you switch between gasoline and propane with just a turn of the dial. On gasoline, it provides 11,000 surge watts and 8,300 running watts, while propane delivers 9,500 surge watts and 7,500 running watts. Switching from 120 volts to 240 volts is straightforward, making it perfect for emergency backups and transfer switches. One of the user-friendly features is the electric start. Just turn the key to power up the 457cc 4-stroke OHV engine, avoiding the hassle of pull starts. The 6.6-gallon tank gives up to 8.5 hours of runtime at half load, ensuring your essentials like lights, fridge, and sump pump keep running during outages. The generator has various outlets, including 4 120-volt GFCI outlets, a 120-volt, 240-volt 50A outlet, and a 12-volt DC plug, catering to different needs. What stands out in this price range are the automatic voltage regulation and overload protection, which help keep your appliances safe. The included wheel and handle kit makes moving and storing the generator easy. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and enjoy the rest of your day.